friends, and welcome to day 2 of introductions for Mama Elephant's February 2025 release. Today we are introducing Handle with Care and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing the Aurora frame creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the images in this set. We have 7 sentiments as well as 4 different images. This set is perfect for creating a gift tag or, for example, for making a moving house card. I also created this fun matching envelope. Now let's get to the coloring of one of the images. These pandas are especially fast to color because I'm only adding some shading and some rosy cheeks. And the white gel pen accents finish the image. This is the Aurora frame when cut out. As you can see, it is slightly narrower as well as slightly taller than a standard sized card base. Let's make a card with these fun supplies. I am covering my standard sized white card base with a piece of pattern paper. Over top, I'm laying a piece of paper that I'm going to use for ink blending. I made this panel narrower so the pattern paper would peek out on the sides. For my ink blending, I'm using Distress Oxide inks in Peacock feathers as well as salvaged patina. I add some water to the panel to create some interest. Next, it's assembly time. I'm starting with my pattern paper. On top, I'm adding my ink blended panel. Over top, I'm adding my Aurora frame. It slightly overhangs on both sides, but I like the way it looks. I cut out one of the Faux 3D boxes, and I'm adding some ink blending to create some interest. Once the box is put together, I can place my panda from Handle with Care inside. I'm also adding a fine line of glue to put the pandas in the boxes on top of the large sentiment included in the set. I place the box with the panda on the bottom side of the card. And the sentiment with the image is going at the top of the card. Finally, I placed this circle with "Please do not bend" in a pop of color on the middle of the card. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I'll see you tomorrow for more introductions. Bye!